Hello, in front of me I've got Haier HD80. In this video I'll show you first setup of this dryer. Firstly, take a look at the back of the dryer. Right here we've got the power cord. Plug it to power supply. And now take a look right here. This is our drying cord. Remove it from this white plastic. And now plug this part right here. Then, while drying, put this part of this cord to some tub or toilet. Now, to turn the dryer on or off, press this button for 2 seconds. Now, we can change modes by rolling this button. Here we've got the water tank. And here we've got 2 filters, first and second one. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.